dough is really soft. I'm not afraid to say it. It's really soft dough, but we're gonna power through. And I'm sort of glad that the camera
Victoria is the boss in the kitchen, just the kitchen,
yes.
But she's rocking these biscuits.
You could use any shape. Honestly, the dog doesn't care. As everyone knows, dogs use their noses. Because everyone knows that dogs really like treats that are crunchy. Well, they like chewy too, but you know, the really like crunch. It's really good for their teeth.
Okay, I'm missing the teaspoon.
Oh, because I took it.
See,
we're so rehearsed. Like we practiced this.
I got it. I'm back in business over
All
here.
right, because
Keep going.
I'm almost ready. You cannot over mix the wet ingredients. So
you know, people have always said that my whole life. You can't mess this recipe up. I don't know. I'm thankful I have Victoria guiding us.
Which is great because we're waiting for the dry ingredients. So it doesn't matter.
I think I'm slow.
It's okay. You're just right, Ellie. Besides, there's no such thing as perfect, right?
There is. And
excuse me, Ellie, I'm adding sour cream. About
a very important moment in the Victoria Co. secret
it's
recipe.
About half a cup of sour. Don't worry, everybody. We're going to have the recipe for you at the end.
And I'm still sifting. That's what I'm doing here.
So we were talking about the bed and breakfast. So we are going to slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
This is my cue. I'm ready. I'm on it.
Perfect. So I think I'll do this. We will just add these a few at a time until it is all mixed. This is the part where you don't want to overmix it. Not that I don't trust you. I'm going to do this while mixing, but I think it just mixes it better, so why not?
Why not? And I think the lesson in here is that you don't have to be a scratch baker to make good cookies. You just have to know a friend.
What we're going to do is we are going to put the dough into little rolls. Let's see.
Wax paper.
Wax paper, people. I've never done this with a partner before. And so everyone knows
But it's me, so come on. We've totally got this.
We have clean hands. So I'm just putting some very generous spoonfuls, extremely generous spoonfuls.
I don't know, I feel like I would make this one giant cookie.
Yeah, so.
Wait, we have to wait an hour? I'm a terrible waiter. This is like what I do in the kitchen.
We're using this part. That was hilarious.
Okay, it was so hard not to burst out there.
I think we got plenty of material there.